Hey y'all, so
Hey,
Sean's
people.
nervous of vlogging in front of people.
Not really, but it's just nice weather outside, so that's why we're here. Anyways,
So what are we doing today?
We're a day late, but certainly not $1 short on the Valentine's Day celebrations. We're gonna be going up in the sky with FlyNYON NYC, doing a little tour. People,
How do you feel about this ride?
I feel very excited. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to get up in the sky. What's up, everybody? I'm all saddled up, strapped up, ready to get up in the air.
Something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state. You call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, baby? Do you feel the vibes?
Isn't just me, Do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Isn't just me. Isn't just me.
Do you feel the buzz or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air is just above me. Something like a dream state. I can't even see straight. Do you feel the buzz, babe? Do you feel the buzz?
That was so fun,
It was very fun.
but we froze.
Great. It was fantastic. We did our thing up there, took GoPro videos, this, that, in the third.
So we had really fun.